Here is how to add watermark in Canva. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can add a watermark in Canva. So let's start. First of all, open the Canva app and log into your account. After you open the app, you can either create a new design or go to the existing design where you want to add watermark. Let's say this is the design where I want to add watermark. Now there are two types of watermarks that you can add to your design. One is the text watermark and the other is the photo watermark. In order to add a photo watermark, you can previously create your watermark design and save it to your device. After that, you can simply go to uploads and then upload the design. In case you don't have a prior edited watermark, then you can simply tap on the plus sign on the left hand side. Then after, go to elements and then search for watermark. You will get various options such as graphics and photos. Scroll through the options and select the design that you want to add to your editing layout. Let's say this is the design that I want to add as watermark. After that, you can position it in your design where you want to add the watermark. Then after, make sure that particular design is selected and then scroll in the menu below. Tap on transparency and then reduce the number so that it is quite transparent. Let's say I want to keep it at 30. Then after, as you can see, the design has been added as a watermark in my template. Other than this, you can also add a text as a watermark. For that, tap on the plus sign and then go to text. Tap on add a text box. Now enter the text that you want to use as a watermark. You can play around with the text design and color as per your preference. After you add the text, set the position to where you want to use it as watermark. Then after, scroll in the menu below and go to transparency once again. Tap on transparency. Then after, decrease the number. I think this should be fine. As you can see, the particular text has been added as watermark, which is not clearly visible and serves as a watermark. So in this way, you can add a watermark in Canva. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.